Have you ever wondered which stack is faster and more practical for building full-stack application in 2025? Is it Next.js or Django? Let's break it down. First, Next.js. It is a React-based framework that is exploded in popularity. Developers love it because it combines front-end and back-end in one place, thanks to server-side rendering and API routes. The result is that it builds a super fast website, SEO-friendly apps, and seamless integration with modern tools like Facero. If you are focused on performance and scalability and sleek UI UX, Next.js is a powerhouse. Now Django, a veteran in Python ecosystem. It is known as the battery-included framework because it gives you everything out of the box: authentication, admin panel, database management, and security. Django shines when you need a robust backend, complex data models, or enterprise-level apps. And since it is written in Python, it is great for projects that need machine learning or data science integration. So which one is the fastest type? For front-end heavy apps like landing pages, e-commerce stores, or SaaS dashboards, Next.js takes the crown. Its rendering and caching system are optimized. But for data-driven apps like financial platforms, healthcare systems, or research tools, Django is incredibly efficient because it manages every business logic effortlessly. The truth is, it is not about which framework is universally better, but which one is better for your project. If you want lightning-fast web experience with modern JavaScript, go with Next.js. If you need a reliable backend that can scale complex data, Django is your best friend. In 2025, many teams are even combining them: Django for backend APIs, Next.js for front-end delivery. That hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. So when choosing your stack, don't just ask, which one is the fastest? Ask, what kind of product am I building, and who am I building it for? Because the right stack used in the right way will always be the fastest. For more tech review, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn the bell on for more videos like this. Thank you.